The GoHighLevel software has so many different features. There's AI voice receptionists, there's AI chatbots and automations and websites and Google reviews, and there's paid ads and SEO and so much more. And while you could technically offer all of these different features to your clients, from my personal experience, that's a very bad idea. So with that in mind, which service is the best one to sell with GoHighLevel? So first off, we want something that's quick to set up for each client, because if we can set it up quickly, that makes it scalable because we won't have to hire too many people to help us out. Second, we want to sell something that's seen as valuable in the client's mind, and it's got to be something that's actually going to get them results. Because if we can get our clients great results, they'll pay us more money every month, and they'll also never stop paying us because they rely on the services that we offer, aka it makes it a sticky offer. And lastly, a good offer is one that's easy to explain to prospects and it's simple for them to use. For example, we could have the newest, most revolutionary service ever, but if we can't explain it in simple terms, then our prospect won't be able to understand it and they won't buy it from us. And even if we did somehow land the client, if they have to do a ton of work and go through a huge learning curve to get results from the service, then they're definitely going to cancel. So what's the answer then? What's the best offer with GoHighLevel that's easy for clients to understand, it gets them real results, and it's scalable for us to quickly copy and paste for each client? Well, after running my own GoHighLevel agency for the past 4 years and trying almost every offer, the conclusion that I've landed on is something I like to call smart websites. A smart website is pretty much just how it sounds. It's a website that's smart, and it's because we connect AI and automations to it that follow up with every new lead. We SEO optimize it so it'll actually get our clients ranked on Google, and we set it up in a way that looks amazing, but it also captures a ton of leads as well. So to start, let me just show you a quick example of one of these smart websites, and then I'll explain how it checks all of our boxes for our best offer criteria. So here's an example of a smart website that I built inside of GoHighLevel, and this is with their new AI Studio tool, which if you haven't heard of yet, you can just prompt it kind of like ChatGPT or Claude, tell it what you want it to build, and it'll build these awesome looking websites like this one here in just a couple minutes. It makes web design extremely easy. In the past, it used to take like days or weeks to build websites, and now you can build them in less than just a couple hours using AI. And so super awesome. And if you guys haven't signed up for GoHighLevel yet, you can get a 30-day free trial down below this video using my affiliate link. And if you use my link, you'll get a ton of bonuses, free calls with me, a ton of these website templates like I'm showing here, and a lot more. So anyway, but our smart websites have 4 main components that make them smart and different than most average websites out there. The first just being looks. You want your website to look good, and your client specifically will want their website to look good that you're building for them. And so as you can see, just great looking website here. You want your clients to be proud of the website that you build for them and something that just like represents them well. And looks aren't everything though. You want personality as well, right? And so the second component of our smart website is the lead capture mechanisms that we use. One of those being this chat widget right here. People can type out a question and fill in their name, email, phone number. So that's one way our clients can capture leads through the website, is the chat widget. The next one is just a normal contact form we can put on a contact page. We can also put that form right here in the top section at the very top of the website, just to make it really easy for people to fill out. And then we can add, calendar booking to the website. We could make this a calendar view. On the next page would be where that calendar is at. And so anyway, you can do calendars, and then on all of our websites as well, we'll typically do like a call now button here at the top. This one says book now. It just kind of depends on what the business wants, but you can do a call now button that people can click on and it'll call up the business right away. And so lead captures are a really important. We want our client to have multiple different ways they can capture leads on their website. The third component is our follow-up, right? Whenever somebody fills out this message here and sends in a message, we can hook up an AI chatbot to this that'll message back and forth with their leads through the website, and it'll do all the the qualifying and lead communication for the business owner, so he doesn't have to, because he's a busy guy helping people build pools. And then just anytime somebody fills out these forms on the contact page here or books an appointment, we have text messages and emails that'll follow up with those leads saying, hey, thanks for filling out the form on our website. We can even hook up an AI voice receptionist to this phone number here. So when people call in, the AI receptionist can pick up and say and talk to them like a human, basically. And so AI and automation are a big part of our smart websites. That's like the main thing that makes them smart websites, right? Is the AI and the automation. So and then our last and fourth component is SEO. We want to make sure all of our websites are SEO optimized. And the way that we do that is through the text across the websites. We make sure to use keywords that are optimized and going to help them rank and get them the best results there. We do service pages of all the different services they offer so they can see, or so Google can see there's a page specifically dedicated to weekly pool cleaning, one for chemical balancing, another for filter and equipment service. And so these are all just sending great signals to Google that these are the keywords we're trying to rank for. And we have a dedicated page for each of them that talks more about them. And then we do location pages. Location pages are important so Google can see which cities our business or our client's business is based in. And so we start to rank our client better in those cities that we add, and we have specific pages for each of them as well. And so those are the 4 main components that make our websites smart websites. So now you know everything that makes up our smart website, but now let me show you how quickly you can set one up for a client. So once you get a client that wants to move forward with the smart website, we have this survey here, which I'm going to give you the survey for free down below this video. So if you're watching this, I'll have a snapshot. You can just import all this stuff I'm about to show you into your own account. This survey will have our client fill out, and we can do this with them over a call and gather all this info from them, or we can send them the link to this survey and they can fill this all out. But whenever they fill this survey out, it's going to give us a prompt afterwards that we can feed to our AI Studio tool that'll build their website for us. And so we'll just have them go through and fill all their information. I'm going to fill it in for my name. I found this business here on Google, so I'm going to use their business name as an example, Aquatech Pool and Spa. You're going to fill in their company email, their company phone number, their address. You're going to fill in any of their employees' emails here that need access. This is not really important for this part. That's just for getting them access to get the GoHighLevel software once we build out their website. Their time zone, their days of operation and hours, all the different services that they offer. So I'm just doing a pool builder for this example since I showed you all this pool template before. All the cities that they service, that's important for our location pages here whenever the website's built out. Any social media pages and links to those pages, the AI Studio can pull stuff in from those and information there. Their company logo you can upload right there. Any other photos of jobs they've done, or pictures of the pools they've built, or whatever it is they're offering. This part, website example to model. So we want to give the AI an example to kind of build after, because if we don't, the website will just build and we don't know what it's going to look like. And so what I like to do is I like to go to a software or a company called Webflow. You can go to webflow.com/templates, and you can search here for different niches. I just typed in pool builder, and there's this pool builder template right here, and all I clicked was view details and then preview in browser, and it brought up a preview of this pool builder template. And so what we would do with our client is we would show them through some of these templates here inside of Webflow. Even though we're not building the site in Webflow, Webflow is just good because they've got a ton of templates and a huge library of stuff that we can show to our client. Then our client will say, oh, I really like this template here. Okay, cool. We'll kind of model your site after this one, just so that the site comes out similar to what the client has in mind. That's the reason we do this. And so we're going to feed this link into this example Webflow website here into our survey. So I just pasted it in there. We're going to put in their Google business profile link here, which you can grab from Google, right? If they've got a Google business profile, you click on it, click share, copy that, and then we can paste that in to this link here, and then we'll submit that. And whenever you submit this, like I said, I'm going to give you this snapshot down below this video. You guys can import this right into your GoHighLevel account. Whenever we submit that survey, I'm going to get an email now. It's this one right here from myself with a prompt. And this prompt has everything I need to import and basically import into HighLevel's AI Studio and build the website for this client. So I'm just going to copy everything here. What it did is it filled in all the custom values from, or the fields from the survey that we just filled out with our client. And then I'm going to copy all this like that. And then we're going to bring this into our AI Studio tool here in HighLevel. This is what it looks like. And then we can paste it in right here into the prompt box. So now it has all the information about our client that was filled in on that survey. It pulled in the cities, it pulled in my email, it pulled in the name of the business, Aquatech Pool and Spa, it pulled in their address, everything, right? Everything we filled in on that survey, it pulls it into this prompt. It pulled in the example, website link from Webflow that we gave it. somewhere in here. But anyway, and then one thing you do have to do here is you have to also upload the logo if you want your client's logo on this site. So you would just click here, you would attach their logo file, and then you would go ahead and run this. And so I'm just going to click here, let this run. It'll take usually a few minutes to build this out. And so I'm going to just skip to when it's done. All right, so this is what it generated after a couple minutes here, and you know, pretty good looking pool builder template right here. And then it created like our menu up here, you know, services, all the different services we included in our survey that we filled out with the client, all the different cities that we included here for service areas, did the phone number button up here, you know, contact us page here. And so it did a pretty good job, right? There's probably some things that we can change on it, but it does the initial build out pretty good. And then from here, down here at the bottom left, we can tell it to do whatever we want it to do, right? We can say, change this text here to say something different. We could say, change the color to this color, and you can feed it like a little attachment of the color you want this blue to be instead of, you know, the blue that it generated. And so you can come to any of these sections and say, hey, change these little cards here to say, and you can really just like super quickly, you know, go in and prompt, and it'll do the things that you want it to do for you. And it's basically, what it's doing is it's coding the website. This is what it looks like on the back end. It's literally just coding your website in real time, and you can see it kind of visually happening, but it's putting all the code, which is code is what makes up a website. And it's building it in real time for you using AI. And so it just makes building sites super easy. And then if you want to SEO optimize this site, all you got to do is go out back here, and then we've got our site here. I'm going to click the three little dots, and then we're going to click settings. And then over here, there's this tab in GoHighLevel called SEO. And then verify your site is live. That one's just to see if it's live on the internet and you've hooked up your domain properly. But this one right here is like improve social preview content. This is for SEO. And then also this one here is for sitemaps, which is like it's for a service called Google Search Console, which gets your website showing up on Google quicker. But all you got to do is copy the prompts GoHighLevel gives us here, and then go back into our website and then just paste them in down here and then let them run. And so what it'll basically just fully SEO optimize the site, prompting it here inside of the prompt box. And so, like I said, it's not going to be 100% perfect on the first generation, and your client may want some changes done to it, and maybe you need to add the logo up here and that kind of thing. But all that can be done with just quick, you know, typing back and forth with the AI. And so it makes building these smart websites extremely easy for each client. So as you can see, this offer is pretty quick and easy to set up. You can have one ready to go in less than just a few hours. But what about results? How does this actually benefit our clients? So I just did a quick Google search and I typed in carpet cleaning Rigby, Idaho. And this is my client right here, Riley, with Hydro Solutions Carpet and Window Cleaning. And he's showing up #1 here in this map pack. And this is really important because the businesses that show up in this top 4 here get 75% of the online leads and traffic. And so if a business is not showing up here in this top 4, they're missing out on a ton of business and losing a bunch of money. And he's #1 here. There's 2 businesses showing up above him because they're sponsored. They're running Google ads. They're paying for this spot. But organically, he is #1 here. And this is the website that we built for him. This is the smart website. Nothing crazy. You know, he's been a client of mine for about a year now. And so our websites have gotten a lot better over time, but still a great looking website, right? He's got our chat widget down here at the bottom, which he collects a ton of leads from, people sending in quick questions. We have these different quote, you know, forms for window cleaning that they can fill out here. We've got carpet cleaning that they can fill out here. He gets a lot of calls coming in as well that people click here. And let me show you inside of his account. This is like today I'm filming this. You can see that at the very bottom right here, maybe if I'm not covering it up, it is May 13th, and this is his calendar for the week. And so he's got a lot of appointments here. If we go back a week, we can see that he had even more appointments. He's basically got a full calendar, and I'm not claiming that all of this came from the help that we've done with his marketing, right? And, you know, the website that we built for them. But a good portion of it has. A bunch of his appointments and leads have come through his website and his Google business profile here. And a lot of what we've done is just the smart website. He's ranking really well on Google now because his website has all the service pages here. It's got all the location pages, so he ranks really well for a lot of these areas. when people type in carpet cleaning or window washing. And we also have automated his Google reviews, and Google reviews help a ton to get you ranked high on this map pack section. So he's got 184 perfect 5-star reviews across the board, which we helped automate through GoHighLevel, which, it sends an automated text to every new customer saying, hey, thanks for working with us. If you don't mind us leaving a quick review. And so anyway, these are the results, the real results you can get for your clients. And I'm not saying this is going to happen overnight or even in the first, month or two, but if they stick with you for a few months, and then this client here, like I said, has been working with me for about a year, these are the kind of results you can realistically get for your clients. And Hydro Solutions, my buddy Riley, he did $250,000 in revenue in his first year in business after we set this stuff up for him. And so, and he started with us right when he started his business. So anyway, 250 grand as a carpet and window cleaner in your first year of business is pretty insane. And like I said, I don't take credit for all of his success. But a good portion of his business has come from the digital marketing that we've helped him with here. Ultimately, these smart websites will help our clients rank higher on Google, which will get them more website visitors. More website visitors means more leads, and more leads equals more customers and more money for their business. But realistically, it can take some time for businesses to start seeing great results like the client that I just showed you. And that's where the psychological factor of the website comes into play, because when a client gets a new website, they treat it as a high priority in their business, and they don't want to lose access to it. Websites have pretty much just become a social norm for businesses, because if a business doesn't have one, they feel like they're missing an important part of their business. So while the smart websites we build might take a few months to start ranking on Google and generating leads for our client, businesses will still pay the monthly subscription because they don't want to lose the website. So all of this to say, the smart website will generate results for our clients, but even if those results aren't crazy overwhelming from the beginning, the client will still pay the monthly subscription because it's a very sticky offer. And that brings us to the last reason why the smart website is the best GoHighLevel offer. It has to be easy for the client to understand and little to no learning curve for them to use it. Websites have been around for about 30 years now, so they're not a new concept for businesses to have to grasp. And we've just put our own little spin on it, calling it the smart website, but the general idea is still the same. It's something that's super easy to understand for business owners. But what about learning curve? Is it hard for them to manage things once the site is finished? Well, this offer is completely done for our client. They don't have to do anything during the setup process, and then once the site is up and running, the automations will follow up with all of their new leads for them. The site will begin to rank higher on Google, and all our client has to do is check their phone a few times a day to see their new leads, appointments booked, conversations, etc. And GoHighLevel makes this super easy with their Lead Connector mobile app. It's like their GoHighLevel app on their phone, and our clients can just manage all of their leads directly from this app on their phone. So just like that, we can now see why these smart websites are such a great offer with GoHighLevel, but there are still a ton of other moving parts to running a successful smart website agency that I wasn't able to cover in this video. So if you check down below this video, there's a link to my HighLevel Quest community where you can access my free 7-hour training on how to start and scale your own smart website agency from scratch. So feel free to check that out down below.